And why are we driving this time?
We're going to San Antonio.
We went down.
Now we're going up.
Back up. Kind of great today. So we're gonna do the San Antonio River Walk, and my honey has discovered that this was built in
1854.
wow. So it's sad because it's
Back when San Antonio was Irish Flats. And it was built by a Russian.
It's built by a Russian.
Yeah.
And Angel is just. So we're parked there. So we're on Alamo Plaza in downtown San Antonio. Angel's walking with us. And this part, I believe, is cut off to cars. Kind of cool. It kind of reminds me of a bigger old Montreal. What do you think? Look, Ripley's Haunted Adventure. Right up there. The World Records Museum. Kind of cool. So we're in the touristy area.
Yeah.
And the parking wasn't that bad.
No.
It was $10 until 4 a.m. I don't think we'll be here till 4 a.m., but you never know. We might have a party.
Oh, there's the Alamo.
And there's the Alamo. There's the Welcome Center. Next to the Marketplace Plaza where there's jewelry, there's the Alamo Drugs. What do you think, honey? Do you want some Alamo drugs?
I got enough drugs. Sorry.
The river walk, and you can actually get a boat tour. That's so cool. Although we didn't take a boat tour because we don't think Angel can come with us. Not sure. Are you ready to explore?
I don't see any dogs on the boats.
Yeah, I know. Michael, are you ready to explore? He's like, whatever. The river walk begins here. Although there are steps that we did not know, but that's okay. Alright, so we're going to take some steps from the river walk.
Yeah, so walking along the river walk, come across bubblegum shrimp. Run, Forrest, run. That's cool.
So that's San Antonio. It's really nice. And we came from over there down a few stairs. Now we shall continue. Yep. Oh, Grandma's gonna like that. Gift of Portugal.
Tour you can get goes all around the canal. Yep. It's kind of cool.
Pretty cool. Angel's going through the foliage. Let's go, girl. And we're walking by the canal. And we're walking by the canal. The downtown buildings seem to go towards the canal. It's funky. Da-da-da. Alamo Street. Hey, we're going through, like, under the bridge, a mini cave. It's like going to Italy in Venice. Under the big bridge and under the smaller bridge. Commerce Street. So cool. We're on Commerce Street, honey.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike. That's Morgan Street. That kind of reminds me of New Orleans, the little restaurants with the ducky. Quack, quack, quack. There's lots of duckies around here. Let's go. Look at the pigeon and the little waterfall. That's so cool. Canal all the way down. Sniff, sniff, sniff. You can find last all has the menu on this one.
Not bad. Pretty good.
Last resort. $80 challenge.
$80. Big T-bone challenge. You have to eat two 16 ounces, 12-inch wiener, plus a macho nacho appetizer, house salad, a double portion of loaded mashed potatoes, and a double order of broccoli within 1 hour, and you eat for free.
No, it's okay. Look at all the pigeons in the canal. And it keeps going. A rainforest cafe. That's so cool. And then you have stairs that go up. That's really nice. It's like a wishing well. Let's make the wishes! Frosty dog for I like the pirate. I'm happy we came. Oh, a British pub. Does by default she's allowed to go there? Oh, we should have taken the elevator. When we go back up, we know. So that's Houston Street, and I guess we'll continue around. This is nice. Look, it's like condos and restaurants. That must be expensive.
Would be interesting. Having a condo off of it.
Having a condo off of this, you have everything. Ooh, so cool. We're on the other side. We're gonna go back under. So now we're going to the more calm part of the canal. But you said it, the entire downtown.
Look, there's some ducks over there on the street.
Duckies! And the river tour. Those, do not buy that online. I saw they were $52 each. And when you come here in person and you're willing to wait, they're for tourists only $13.50 for adults and $7.50 for kids.
Rip.
I mean, these tourist places have to make money. Now we're in a calmer part with less restaurants and shops. And it does almost the entire downtown of San Antonio.
Yep.
It's cool. Those are cool bulls. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, that screams Texas to me. We're going back down. This is really cool. Something you wouldn't expect. I guess most Texans know this. We didn't. Had we known in the beginning, it would have been easier. It's funky how the trees grow. In stumps. This is a hotel with a restaurant, but it's like in the less busier part of the canal. And it continues all the way still.
Come here, girl.
Angel, come here. Say hi. Angel's like, I just got petted by some strangers. I'm happy. Let me draw. Make shake it the bum. There's the road track. And look. It's not our road track. It's another one. Right there. I can't see from here. I'm at maximum. So cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching our YouTube video. Subscribe, like, and share. Please comment. We want to hear from you. And hit the bell to be aware of our new video.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say